me introduce myself. My name is Firna Fatima Turzara. I am from Bina Sarana Informatika University, majoring in accounting. I am in class 63 to C007, student ID number 63250725. Today, I would like to present a material about comparison degree. In English, grammar. What is comparison degree? Comparison degree is a collection of adjectives used to compare things such as people, object, animal, place, or situation. We use comparison degree when you want to show whether something is equal, greater, or the greatest compared to something else. For example, Ali is tall. Budi is taller than Ali. Andi is the tallest student in the class. This sentence shows different levels of comparison. Next, levels of comparison degree. There are 3 levels of comparison degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Each level has a different function. Positive degree is used for equal comparison. Comparative degree is used to compare two things, and superlative degree is used to compare one thing with a group. Next slide, positive degree. Positive degree is the basic form of an adjective. It describes the quality of an object without showing superiority or inferiority. The formula is subject plus to be plus es plus adjective plus es plus object. For example, he is as smart as his brother. This means that both people have the same level of intelligence. Other example, she is as beautiful as her mother. This book is as interesting as the book. Positive degree is used when two things are equal. Next slide. Comparative degree. Comparative degree using more. Comparative degree is used to compare two objects. The formula is subject plus to be plus more plus adjective plus than plus object. For example, she is more creative than her sister. We use more when the adjective has 2 or more syllable or ends in. An example, more beauty, more expensive, more carefully. This structure shows that one thing has a greater quality than other. Next slide, comparative degree. Comparative degree using er. For short adjective, we usually add er to the adjective. Formula, subject plus to be plus adjective plus er plus than plus object. For example, he is stronger than his opponent. Other example, taller, smaller, and faster. This form is commonly used with one syllable adjective. Next slide. Rules for comparative degree. There are several spelling rules when adding er. Rule number 1, if an adjective ends with one consonant, after one vowel, double the consonant and add er. For example, big to bigger, hot to hotter, thin to thinner. Next, rule number 2, if an adjective ends with w, change w into I and add er. For example, happy for happier, easy for easier, busy for busier. Next, rule number 3, if an adjective ends with a, simple add er. Example, wide to wider, safe to safer, fine to finer. This rule help us from comparative adjective correctly. Next slide, superlative degree. Superlative degree using the most. When comparing one object with a group and showing the highest level of quality. Formula subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective. For example, you are the most beautiful girl in BCA. We use the most with long adjective for adverb. For example, the most beautiful, the most expensive, the most carefully. This indicates the highest degree among all members of a group. Next slide, superlative degree using ES. For short adjective, we add ES. Formula subject plus to be plus the adjective plus ES. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Other example, talls, fall, fastest, and smallest. This form expresses the highest level among three or more things. Next slide, rules for superlative degree. There are several spelling rules for superlative degree. Rule number 1, double the final consonant and add ES. For example, big for biggest, fat for fattest, thin for thinnest, hot for hottest. Next, rule number 2, if the adjective end with W, change W to I and add ES. For example, easy for easiest, pretty for prettiest, lazy for laziest. Next, rule number 3, if the adjective end with A, add ES. Example, white for whitest, safe for safest, fine for finest. Next, rule number 4, for short adjective ending with a consonant sound, add ES. For example, long for longest, strong for strongest, cheap for cheapest. Next slide. In conclusion, to conclude, comparison degree is used to compare people, object, place, or situation. There are 3 types: positive degree for equal comparison, comparative degree for comparing two things, superlative degree for showing the highest level among a group. Understanding comparison degree helps us communicate more clearly and correctly in English. Thank you for your attention and listening.